Hi, my name is Anya, and today I really want to make some Boston cream cupcakes. So if you like this video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget the notification bell to be notified every time I upload. I upload every day, Monday to Friday. In a bowl, cream together 3 tablespoons of butter and a 1/3 cup of sugar until light and fluffy. Add in 1 egg and a 1/2 teaspoon vanilla essence. Mix until well combined. Add in a 1/2 cup of flour, a 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Mix until well combined. Add in 3 tablespoons of milk and mix until smooth. Pour into prepared cupcake cases and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes. Make a packet of vanilla pudding according to the directions given on the back of the packet. Pipe your vanilla pudding into your cooled vanilla cupcakes. To a bowl of a 1/2 cup of chocolate chips, add in a 1/4 cup of hot cream. Mix until smooth. Spread your chocolate mixture on top of your cupcakes. And enjoy a Boston cream cupcake.